6,982 miles on what I believe is a 19 Street Glide Special. Of course, it's blacked out. That's the way the specials came. It's got a lot of nice extras on it. It's got highway pegs. It's got an LED headlight. It's got front and rear turn marker lights that are LED. Of course, it's got apes. It's got really nice cushy rubber grips. Smoked windshield. Docking hardware, Sissy bar. Rinehart slip-ons. And it also has the LED brake lights on the saddlebags, which is a really nice option. Makes the bike a bigger profile going down the road, so everybody sees you and you don't get rear-ended. Beautiful blue color. And relatively low mileage. I mean, it's the 6,000 really isn't that much, especially on one of Harley's touring bikes. Well, if you're interested, come on down, check it out, throw a leg over it. Really nice Street Glide Special.